Hello and welcome to the April 2011 Coherence newsletter. I'm Stephen Elliott. This month our topic is the spontaneous Kriya. This month's newsletter is the second in a three-part series on the subject of meditation. There are three factors involved in the elicitation of the spontaneous Kriya. They are breathing, posture, and relaxation. Not just any form of breathing, posture, and relaxation, but a very specific form of each. Where breathing is concerned, we're interested in resonant or coherent breathing. Coherent breathing sets up a resonant condition in the body and the nervous system such that it is able to oscillate. The posture of interest is a very ancient one that is an integral part of Chinese and Indian yoga. It is referred to as man united with heaven and earth. It also establishes conditions in the body that allow the body to oscillate very much like a string connected between heaven and earth, such that the body is able to play. And finally, regarding relaxation, we're interested in relaxing certain parts of the body or anatomical zones, nervous functions that behave as brakes that inhibit the body from moving. When we consciously relax these points that I referred to in the science of coherent breathing as bridges, it releases the brakes such that the body is able to move. When we breathe coherently and we establish the resonant posture, man united with heaven and earth, and we relax the bridges, the spontaneous Kriya can manifest. I'm Steve Elliott. In this brief video, I'm going to demonstrate the spontaneous Kriya. There are three factors that make the spontaneous Kriya work. One is coherent breathing. Two is man united with heaven and earth posture, which means my head is going up and my feet are reaching downward. I have to be lying down doing this. I can have that posture standing up or seated as well. But I want to be lying down right now because it makes it much easier for me to relax deeply, which is the third ingredient and requirement for the spontaneous Kriya to manifest, and that is deep relaxation, specifically relaxation of the bridges, which you may have heard of. So with that, we'll zoom out a bit and I'll demonstrate what the spontaneous Kriya looks like. Able to stop this if I wish to, which I'm going to right now. We can initiate that action, and once you understand how to initiate it, how to maintain it, you can allow it to go on for as long as it wants to go on. It sort of is something that has a spring-like quality to it. As I mentioned in this newsletter, in myofascial release parlance, it is called unwinding. So it's kind of like a spring unwinding, and when it's unwound, it tends to subside and stop. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoy.